Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT answers not showing or ChatGPT answers not loading problem, or how to fix ChatGPT not showing responses issue. So without wasting time, let's jump to the steps. So what you have to do, you have to open the Chrome, then click on this three dot and then go to settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on third party cookies, then click on see all site data and permissions. Now here search for ChatGPT and then click on trash icon and then click on delete to confirm. Then here type OpenAI, then click on trash icon and then click on delete. Now go to the extension, click on manage extension, then disable all the extension, then close the Chrome browser and then relaunch Chrome browser and then check ChatGPT answer not loading or not showing problem is solved or not, or ChatGPT answer not showing responses issue is fixed or not. If not, then alternatively you can try Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, Opera browser or Mozilla Firefox browser. So by this way you can fix ChatGPT answers not loading or ChatGPT answer not showing problem, or you can fix ChatGPT not showing responses issues. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.